Hello everyone, I'm Karen Dangola from Di Jones and I would like to welcome you to this rare opportunity. We are in New England Estate in the heart of Castle Hill on a fantastic block of land that is over 1,200 square metres, and it's right here ready for you to possibly build your dream home. Let's take a look around, shall we? So now that you've taken a bit of a look through, this home could provide you the perfect renovator's delight, or like I said at the beginning, a wonderful opportunity to build your dream home. Again, location is everything, and we are just up the road from Castle Hill RSL, the Castle Hill High School, and then a little bit further onto our Metro and Castle Towers. There's a lot to take in, but it is a fantastic opportunity, and I hope that you will come along and check this out for yourself. I'm Karen Dangola from Di Jones. You care about finding the right home or the right block of land for your next dream home, and we're here to help you with your journey. I look forward to seeing you soon.